You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. From Italian, a brand name, sportswear. If you want to learn more Italian brand names from fashion, luxury, make sure to stay tuned. Sergio, Italian pronunciation first. Sergio, Sergio Tacchini. Tacchini, yes, double CH is pronounced like a K, and because it's double C, you want to stress on that K syllable. Sergio Tacchini. In English, Sergio Tacchini. You got it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.